Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing here? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to another stream. Hope this one is gonna be a good one. I'm kinda excited because I see a lot of trades, maybe possible trades, because I see a lot of stocks at support. Hopefully, everything can hold there so we can play a good calls trade. We'll see. Morning. Mhm. Let's see. Okay. Uh, for now, my main watch is SPY. I have SPY finally at my support, the one that I was talking yesterday, which is 417. I remember yesterday on the stream, I was talking nonstop that I want to see it SPY going down to 417 and hold there. So this morning, SPY kind of gap down and it's kind of holding right now for 17. QQQ, it's right also at support 336, 335.50. That's another one that I like, but I like more SPY. Um, Apple, Apple gap down also. I want to see it. We are on an Apple trade. I want to see it holding 173. If Apple can't hold 173, maybe it's gonna go down to 172.68, which is this little gap that we have here. And then if it doesn't hold there, it's gonna go down to 171. Right now it's not looking pretty, but we'll see. Hopefully, if a SPY can hold here, Apple can hold here too. Meta. Meta is the other one that I really like because yesterday Meta ran without me because I was waiting for that 244, 243 support. So basically to play a break and retest on the daily. It's not there. Meta is holding pretty good compared to Apple and SPY, but it's still holding support. 245, 246. It's a good support on Meta. So that can be another good play, but I would like to see it at 244. I want to see it at 244 for an even better play there. So yeah, we see. That's basically what I'm looking right now. I saw Nvidia. It's holding pretty good pre-market. Here I have Nvidia here. I don't think I'm gonna play Nvidia because Nvidia has earnings on the tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not gonna play Nvidia. But if you wanna play it, kind of looks like a bull flag here. But for calls, I will wait if it can go back down to 307. Or you can wait until break this bull flag and then yeah, your stop loss will be around 311. But I'm not gonna play Nvidia. But it's very strong for now. AMD. Let's watch AMD. I like more if AMD can go back down to 104, maybe 102, and then even better, 100. 100 it will be better. But 104, Can be a good entry there for calls. Yeah. You guys watching anything? Mm, 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 mm. So we want to see um QQQ holding yesterday's low, which is around 335.50, around there. Otherwise, could go down to 332 or 331.50. I don't see anything on AI. AI is a play that I don't need to watch right now. Just put your alerts. Um, if uh, I hope so. AI is very strong. I saw a very strong pre-market. I don't know how. Yeah, AI so far it's holding 28. It's above yesterday high. 29 is your next resistance. So you should have taken some profits yesterday. So far, it looks bullish. It looks very bullish. But yeah. So I'm not gonna look AI today. I'm just gonna put alerts there. So if it goes lower to 27, I take more profits. If it goes at 29, I'm gonna take profits there because 29 is your next resistance. Yeah, I'm still holding Apple. We need Apple to hold either one. I think Apple is gonna open red. So for us today, so you wanna see it holding 172.70 around there. That's a little gap that it has from the 17th. You wanna see it holding there, but it looks very weak. So yeah. So AI it's more than 100%. I think AI can go to 29. We'll see. Apple is dying. Any news on Apple? Ooh. Netflix, it's going down. Also, you wanna if you're on Netflix calls, you wanna see Netflix holding around 360 or 361. Um, yeah, you wanna see Netflix holding there, or it can go back down to 350 again. Yeah, but it should hold 360, 361, 359 because it was support in the past. Okay. But why is going down so much for that buy? Well, we'll see. We need so far it's at 172. We need to see it holding 172. But yeah, it's gonna open red. What? Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Netflix looks very weak. Meta very strong. Apple very weak. We'll see. QQQ, it's holding. Spy, not so much. Yeah, AMD popping. Let's see this hold. I like what QQQ is doing. Okay, 29. AI is 29. I'm gonna take some profits there. Ooh, AI going. Yep. Mm, damn. See, this is why you need to like take profits at resistance. Apple so far it's holding. It's holding, so no, it's not dead. Meta very strong. That was a hard rejection from 29. Yep, you guys need to take profits. Thanks for the likes. Thank you, thank you. I'm watching Meta here. Um, but Spy, I don't love what Spy's doing. This is okay. Apple filled the gap. So Apple it filled kind of filled the gap and it's holding here. So it could be a good ad if keeps holding here. We'll see. Let's have a little bit patient to see if Spy it's really gonna hold this support here for 17 for 1690 or it's gonna reject and go lower to 415. I'm kind of waiting for a Spy to do something. Look, Meta's very strong. Yeah, 337. Yeah, it's reject. QQQ is rejecting there. Yep. So that can hurt Apple. AMD is like very strong. Broke that 109 resistance and it's going. Apple looks very bearish, but as long as we hold the support, I'm in. Ooh, service PMI. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until I want to take Spy calls here, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. It will be better if you can take 170. I think the next contract is 172.50, right? Let me check. 172.5. is the one that I would like to add on Apple. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. QQQ is kind of stronger than Spy, but I like more the support on a Spy because it's a daily support. Like here, it was rejection here, it was rejection here, also rejection here. Then we broke that resistance, and now it should act as support. Yeah, I do like this Apple Play. Um, I'm gonna add to the 172.5 and 175 also. The 175 is more risky because it's too out of the money and Apple doesn't really move fast, but I can see it going 1 to 173.50 and then 174. Yep. And I got um I'm getting Spy today 418. It's better if you can take tomorrow's 418, less risky, but yeah. My stop loss here is this week under 416.80. So yeah, I took today's 420 and 418 calls, and my stop loss is under 416.80. You can take Apple or Spy. You don't need to play both. They pretty much are gonna move exactly the same. Mhm. So for me, yesterday's low is 336.24, and it's flagging above that. So on QQQ. Yeah, I like more SPY than Apple because Apple keeps rejecting these wicks on the 5 minute on the Apple chart are bearish and are rejecting pre-market low, morning high, and VWAP and INMA. So that's bearish, but I'm gonna still hold unless it breaks my support. Let's have a little bit of patience here. Okay, I wanna see how this candle close here. Mm, Looks bearish, but it's still holding. So I'm gonna follow my plan here. Apple wigged me out yesterday morning with my calls just by doing this. So I'm just gonna be patient, see? I'm gonna be patient and see how we close this candle. Because I do like this support area here. Yep. See? This is why I like, okay, so why I like this support area. First of all, we had a gap here that Apple or filled today. Secondly, SPY is a very strong support. For 17, it's a daily support. So we should hold here. But Apple is definitely weaker than SPY. That's why I took also SPY calls. Are you guys in anything? Playing anything? Tesla, Spy, Apple, QQQ? Yep. Mm, okay, I love this Spy move. Exactly what I want to see. I want to see a breaking 418. Spy. I want to see a Spy breaking 418. Awesome. Spy call? Awesome. What's the 10 a.m. news? Yeah, I think it's early, Brian. I think it's still a little bit early. Mm-mm. Like, I mean, the market is fighting. The thing is, I don't really like to play puts when we gap down. Yeah, Apple looks very weak. Yeah, we have a gap to 418.62 on SPY. And on the 30-minute, for 1870 could be that gap. Yeah, I don't like to play put when we gap down. I prefer to wait until it goes up and fill that gap, and then you can look for puts. Mm, let's see. Let's see who wins, Bears or Bulls. I mean, SPY is rejecting this 418 resistance, but still is above the 90 MA and the VWAP. And again, you couldn't have a better entry at support. Like, if even if it goes against me, this is SPY call. I love this entry. Like 417 was my target for to enter calls. So yep, that's what I want to see on Apple. It's holding even even if it's under the 90 mm VWAP. I want to see this. I want to see Apple holding the support. Desi and I, we kind of trade a little bit different. He's bearish because he's looking the futures, and on the futures, QQ NQ was below yesterday's low, and I don't really use the futures. I use QQQ and SPY, and QQQ was was above yesterday's low. We trade different, but he's very good. Let's This was a very hard rejection of 29 on AI, but we kind of bounced. We bounced from yesterday high. We're holding kind of yesterday high, and also Thursday. So I like this hold on AI. I want to see it holding this 2750, 28. Amazon. mm, Um, um, it's near resistance. So, yeah, I think it can go easy to 416 and then 416.25. But Amazon, the daily, it's bearish, kind of bearish here. It's in a downtrend here. You either can, I don't know if you're in puts or calls, you can play the 116 rejection, or you can wait to see if can break 116, so that will break the downtrend, and it means a change of direction if can break 116 and hold there. Okay, I want to see. Apple looks very good right now. Yep. I want to see it here breaking these 9 EMA and VWAP. Yep, yep, yep. Um, is Powell speaking tomorrow? Because if Powell is speaking tomorrow, maybe the market doesn't do much today. Yeah, I'm on Apple and I added more. I added more at the 175 and 172.5 contract. Mm-mm. of it's tomorrow. Okay. Oh, at 2? Okay, so at 2, yeah, we can move today and then we can trade before too. Look this apple. That's so beautiful. I think, yeah, I do think Apple is gonna fill this gap here. I think it can fill this gap today. For me, um, I only invest on Vanguard VTS, the VOO. It's a good one. What? Mm-mm. AMD is very strong here. Kind of lagging there. Let me see what's the next resistance here. Oh, your next resistance is right there. One, let's just say 111, and then it's 116. So it can, if it can break 111, it can go easy to 116. Damn. And 409, it's your support. Look how beautiful this bull flag was. I was trying to play this, but it waked me out here. And then look all these move. Like beautiful, so strong. So far, we are on already 30 minutes in since market open, and we have no. Well, we kind of say it's the trend today is bullish here. Like if you really look QQQ hold pre-market low, broke VWAP 90 MA, and it's flagging. So looks more bullish than bearish, in my opinion. But mm, watch this Meta. Meta it's flagging here, and it's stronger than everything else. Meta could be a good one. It hold this support also, the 246, 247, and it's flagging. It's kind of fighting with the VWAP, but if looking at the looking at the trend on Meta, it looks very good. Like you can do something like this, and then maybe something like this. So yeah, Meta if keeps holding 247, 246, it can be a very good call played. Like we are moving higher, but like I want to see like a stronger push. But again, if we enter cold here, like that's your best entry on calls. You're entering calls at daily support. And if we see a risk to reward here, so wait, we enter. I just say, where did I enter in? Yeah, I think around here. My stop loss was for 1680. My main target right now is 418. I will say 418. No, I will say 418.70. Let's go 418.75 around there. So my risk to reward it's 1.58. Not the best, but this is my main target, my PT for today. But I think we can go to 420. here 41870 is the number one, and then it's 420. So if we go to 420, my risk to reward is 3.21, which is really good. But we'll see. Spy is still fighting here at 418. But I really, really, really like what Apple is doing right now. And I like this AI 2780 support. I like it holding here 2780, just 27. I like AI holding here 27. OKKTA. I don't know what's even that. Mm, it's bullish. It's in an uptrend, but it's right at resistance. Ooh, yeah, it's right at resistance here. So you have all this resistance here. So if you're in calls, I would take profit. Um, yeah, I don't think this is gonna break this strong resistance today. It will, I think it's very difficult to break this resistance. But also I see here a inverse head and shoulder here. But yeah, I don't like it for calls unless you want. I would like it if can break this resistance, like go higher with a strong push and then goes back down and hold it as support so you can play more upside. Yeah, that's true. It's Apple. It's weak. The market is weak. It's gonna be weak also. Um, Ooh, so far, very boring day. We need Apple to like really move and break these 173 resistance, this 173 resistance, so our 175 goal can like come back to life a little bit. uh generic VWAP. Damn, that's a strong rejection. It looks like we're not gonna do much today. No, I'm not out. Like, what's the plan? My plan is holding unless we lose this support. That's it. Now Apple is stronger than the market. Yeah, very boring day. Mhm. So, what's this candle? What's that? If we close, if this candle close like around here, around 418, that's very bullish. Even if it closes below here, but with this wick, that's bullish. It means we have more buyers than sellers here at this level. I mean, if you're playing puts, your risk, your stop loss should be this week, which is around 418, 13, around there. And if you're playing calls, your stop loss should be around 416.80. So you can play either or and with a tie stop loss. Like, why did we move like that? Look that apple. That's very bullish. What Apple is doing right now, it's holding support, support, holding, holding here. Yes. Um, I'm not playing puts on a uptrend. For me, if you want to play puts, it will be after we fill this gap to 418, maybe 419, but I'm not playing puts on a uptrend. I think I said it a few times. If the market is on a uptrend, you want to play calls at support. Even if it goes down or even if it goes below 417, I'm not gonna play puts. And even more because the SPY is not doing anything. Like, so for me, I'm on the SPY calls and Apple calls, but I don't like how the market is moving today. So even if it goes lower, I'm not gonna take anything. And if it goes higher, awesome, because Apple is gonna move. And AI also. It's gonna move if the market goes higher. But it looks like even if SPY just doesn't do anything and it keeps holding for 17, Apple is gonna go higher here. That's how I see it like right now. Again, also, I don't like playing put on a when we gap down. Unless we are on a downtrend, like the main trend for the market, it's bearish. But we are on a bullish market right now. It's just like because the way I trade, I don't like trading like for a small move. So I prefer going with the trend because the trend is gonna help me. Okay, I'll be back in like 1 minute. I have my alerts in my phone. If I see, well, the plan is if I see SPY losing this support, I'm getting out. If I see Apple losing this support, also I'm getting out. I'll be back. And I'm back. Did we move? Anything happen? Ooh, okay. SPY flagging. Oh, this hold on AI looks so good. This 27 hold. Ooh, I got a bunch of goodies. This one, if you like Pop Tarts, these are good ones. And I got pretty much all the flavors of these Barbells bars. Okay, so I tried, like last week, I bought the cookies and cream, and I really like it. And these bars macros are so good. They're like 200, around 200 calories with 20% protein and no sugar. So I got the hazelnuts, the creamy crisps. I don't know what flavor is this, but it sounds good. I got also the caramel. I got the salty peanut. Yeah, time for honest review. The white chocolate. And I got again the cookies and cream because I really like it. So which ones should I try today? The cookies and cream, the white chocolate, the caramel, the creamy crisp, the hazelnut, or the salty peanut? Which one? So which one? Which one you want me to try? The white chocolate. Let's see. Mm, the white chocolate, the caramel. So, oopsie, the hazelnut. Okay, you guys need to decide white chocolate, caramel, or hazelnut. Oh, you know what? I need more likes. We are 100 people here and only 63 likes. If you want my honest review, I need a little more likes. At least we need like 40 more. 40. We have 40 people here that haven't clicked the like button. Caramel? Okay, so the caramel it is. Here. Thank you, yep. Okay, so this is gonna be. So it has 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, and no sugar, and only 8 grams of fat. Ooh, looks good. Okay, let's see. Mm. Mm. It tastes kind of like like a Twix. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, the flavor is kind of between a Twix and a maybe a Snicker. Yeah, I think it tastes more like a Snicker. Yeah, so this daily on QQQ um don't look pretty. But again, we still holding support. So it's been 1 hour already, and the market haven't done anything. I like more. Yeah, Spy looks way better than QQQ, but still QQQ is holding. Okay, so not only we're holding, we're kind of making higher lows here, or at least holding this 336 level here. So far, out of all the bars that I've tried, this one is the best one because it tastes like a sneaker. It tastes like a real unhealthy sweet, unhealthy chocolate. I found these bars on TikTok. Everyone was talking about it, and now I know why. So far I've tried this one and the cookies and cream, but I like more this one. But both were very good. Because yeah, you gotta go here. So I, s- my VWAP it's like this. It, it was like this, and then I took out everything but the VWAP. So I only have one line. And then I save that. No, you haven't missed anything. The market's so boring today. It's not moving at all. So far, the only thing that I like is what AI is doing here. It's holding very good here. It's holding very good 27, 28. And I also like Meta, what Meta is holding here. But honestly, I'm not gonna take anything else. But yeah, Meta looks very good. So you can see here, AI. Right here, we have Meta here, and Apple. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, look this 15 minutes on chart on Apple. Looks, I really like what it's doing. Again, 172 hole, it's perfect. Um, well, for me, the perfect entry on AI was 25, 26, 25. After that, for me, it's kind of like chasing. So if you want to like we you could have re-entered at today's low, but it's kind of difficult to say because the market's it's acting weird. But yeah, if you see here, look at daily. Like the daily is telling you a lot. The daily is telling you that 27, it's a strong support. Look this Meta. Damn. This is so boring. So boring. Um at least Apple is engulfing the all these candles here. I want to see these 15 minutes closing like that, bigger than the ones before. Um, should we try it? Like, do you guys want to see how I find my daily support, my levels? Like, I can do that on because I'm so bored. I I want to do something different. So, okay, I'm gonna clean this chart. Gonna remove all everything. And this is meta. I'm gonna take out this. Okay, what time is it? It's 10:43. Wait. Okay. So, okay. So, let's go here. Okay. I clean everything. I don't have any supports resistance here. So, what I do, first thing I do is I go to the daily and then I see gaps in main support and resistance. So the first one that I see here, it's gonna be this support here. So that's a easy one. The other one that I see, because I want to play first with this gap here, because what I'm seeing here is that Facebook or Meta, it's playing out of this small move. So my next one, it's gonna be here. That's another one because it's touching. Here's resistance, resistance, resistance here. We break it, and then here it's acting as support. So that's another one. And those are the main one. And then, like for now, I want to see what's my next resistance here. So obviously I have 253.60, which is this week, but I want to see before what was my resistance. So this little green line is where we at right now. And so I'm gonna go back until I see. Okay, so I'm looking, this is a resistance here, but we're above that resistance. So I'm just gonna put one line here, and then gonna go where we at right now and see if it's still acting as resistance that week. But I still haven't found my, okay, so here, this is my next resistance here, 254.80. So I can say 255. Let's go to 255. I like more round numbers. So it's gonna be 255. So right now we are at 249. My next resistance 255. Even 252 can act as resistance also. But I like more 255 because we have a lot of support here. Like, well, right now we have a lot of resistance because it used to be support like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. For 7 days, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days as support in the past, and then we have 1 to 3 days as resistance in the past. So that's how I find my next support and resistance. I use the daily chart, and then I see, okay, this stock is in a uptrend. You can do something like this, or also you can play with something like this. And but I don't like this line, it looks ugly. So yep, so okay, this is a resistance here from when, from this week here, so from the beginning of the year, but it's only 1 week here. But I remember that when we went back before, it's this resistance here also. It used to be support, and then that week showed me that it was acting it as resistance here, but we're above that resistance. So for me, the next resistance is more 254, 255. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, where is it? Okay, here. I'm gonna put these on red. So I know I need to be careful there if I'm playing calls here. And this is my next PT. And yep, that's how I do it. Very simple. Basically, I use daily candles. Whatever it touches the most, it can be only wicks, or it can be, I use both wicks and the entire body. For me, wicks and bodies are pretty much the same when it comes to support and resistance. So yeah, I used to have like all my entire chart with support and resistance. So I would put one um one here, and then I will go down and put the next one, then the next one, and the next one. But now I only like charting whatever the price action is right now. So for me, the only important support and resistance are here, because Meta is moving in this range. So if I'm gonna play Meta, I only need to see what's my support and resistance in here. I don't need to chart everything here. But what I really like to do is, okay, we have this big gap. So I put alerts when the gaps close or open. So here's where the gap um close. So if Meta, let's just say Meta lose this 230 support, right? So I know Meta can go down to 212. So, and fill this gap. So I'm gonna put an alert there because I know if Meta fill this gap, I can play bounce here at this support. And I can also do this. This is my support here. So I can put another alert there, because if Meta loses that support, we can play puts here for the gap. And what I should put, play puts. I'm gonna put a note there. Play puts if breaks the support. And that's it. That's how I have all my charts. That way I have alerts at important levels, and then I'll know if I need to really see that level for calls or puts or whatever the market's doing at that support or resistance. Yeah. So, and then that's my main levels on the daily. And then for intraday plays, I will go and see, okay, I see this support here because it's my pre-market low and it's morning low also. So that's one that I need to be like careful if we lose this support, or if we go down here, I want to see if we can hold to play calls. And then I see pre-market high here. This is pre-market high here. So here I see two levels. First of all, this pre-market high, and then I see morning high here. But honestly, I don't put anything on my pre-market high and low. I just pay attention in the morning. So that's why I have my chart like this. So I can see, okay, this is my pre-market low. So I need to be careful here. And here, this is my resistance so far on the day, so far. But the main ones that I use are the daily. That's why I like to see my daily chart. Yep. Um, and see, this is a support that I put because we have support here. And look how we're using it on intraday. We're holding here. And I just put it because I saw support on the daily. Man, this is so boring, like nothing happened. We're holding, we're rejecting, we're holding, we're rejecting. I honestly want a SPY to stop me out because this is so boring and I want Apple to just break 173 and hold. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna take out the VWAP and an EMA because here is not working at all. Looks cleaner. Yeah, set alerts and walk away. Definitely. If Meta can finally break this resistance, the 49.50 resistance, it's gonna go to 255 again. It's gonna go to yesterday's high. But I need a little push from the market. Um, See the volume here. The volume keeps going lower and lower. Let's see how the volume of Meta. It's also low. Mm. Moving high with low volume, not muy bueno. No, I don't use scans. I don't use anything. Only what you're seeing on the screen. Mm, 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 mm. So, do you guys trade anything today? Yeah, that's good. If you didn't take a trade today, I think that's the best trade of the day. That's the trade of the day. Not taking anything. Not taking anything was the move today. Like, but Giovanni, you need to go. Like, close your computer. You're not trading. Enjoy your day. Go outside. I think you live in Miami, right? So you can go outside sunny. Google. Let's see. Okay. At what price did you go to Google? At 26? Yeah, beach day today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the pool after working out. Ooh, 127. You got like the a perfect entry. 127. Yep. Yeah, you can do something like this. Oh yeah, my coffee cup it's empty. I need to reload it also. Like I drink coffee all day, but only decaf because my pre-workout it's kind of strong. So I'm kind of trying to sleep at night. But I only drink coffee because I like the taste. Because honestly, coffee doesn't do anything to me. Some what's ooh, some is going and the volume is very good. Volume is good. That thing, ooh, and if fill this gap, if you can hold 107, 70, even better if you can hold 108, it's gonna keep going. And have this resistance here. That's the other one. Yep. Nice, around 950. So you got it. Oh, okay. Let's see. 950. Oh yeah, you got it, you got it right at this huge candle here. Oh, 106 was a very good support here. Yeah, that was a good trade. That was a very good one, Mike. Yeah. Let's go, Apple. Let's go, Apple. If Apple keeps like holding this, we can see a big run at the end of the day. But it keeps rejecting this pre-market low. We need to break that. It needs to break 173.20. We need to break that and hold. Okay, this is very bullish. If this candle, even though it's only starting, this 30-minute candle can close here, that's bullish. Yeah, see how we keep holding this support. Yep, I think this is too big. Should be 335.68. And yep, definitely wants to go here to yesterday high. Meta out of this support here that I have, 247.80, was so good. Like literally break, retest of this support, and then keeps going. It's 11:12. Mm, I'm hungry. So Apple holding support, SPY holding support, QQQ holding support, but it's the one that it looks weaker. Then it looks weaker than SPY, but it's holding so far. Meta very strong. At least it's the one that is moving. If it loses support, that's my stop loss. On SPY. But honestly, because I took today's pie calls, I don't like it that much. I prefer the Apple Play because you have the rest of the week. I'm falling asleep here. Okay. No, I'm not in Meta. I wish, but no. I'm only holding AI, Apple, and SPY. Hello, hello. Hola. Nice, congrats. What is UPST? Why is this moving? Oh, UPST is right at resistance. Yeah, definitely right at resistance. There, and it's weakening at resistance. What's the day? Intraday, not doing much. Ooh, okay. Oh, you're a scalper, Steve? Mm, Have a great day, Giovanni. Bye. Mhm. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Okay. So, do you scalp more or do more like swing trades or in intradays plays? Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I do more swing trades. Let's see. Wells Fargo. Yeah, that's a four bar play. Yep, on the daily. But I don't like playing banks because they move too slow. Just $1 move. Um, yeah, I don't like playing only $1 move. Like cents. They move by cents. Look, meta. Look, meta. Okay, Apple, can you just do something? Let's see. Kind of this flag here. Gonna take out this here. Bye. Bye. Let's see. If is Spy finally gonna break out of this bull flag and break force 18, or are we gonna fail and go back down to 417? So which one is gonna be? Or we just keep doing nothing, a bunch of nothing. Give me something so I don't fall asleep here. Give me something. Mm, this is a flag also. A weird one. But it could be a flag also here. Yep. I'm gonna take out VWAP and INEMA because they're doing nothing. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go. Come on, Apple. Just break that 173.20 resistance there. We're doing nothing, but SPY looks bullish and QQQ too. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see SPY breaking 418. Okay. Meta is the only one that is really moving, and AMD doesn't look bad. It's holding this 409.80 support and it's flagging there. Yeah, look the 50 minutes. Yeah, it looks good. and it never went down. Like it went up really hard and it broke that resistance, and now it's holding above that resistance. So I think if the market can push AMD, it's gonna move. This looks very clean. Let's go, SPY. Come on, break 418. I want to see you breaking 418, and QQQ needs to break 337. Those are the two levels that you want to see break, so we can keep going higher and fill this gap that we have from the open. Hmm. I want to look for swings. The thing is, like, we have Fed talking tomorrow, so but today is Tuesday, yeah. So if we enter, well, no, Feds are talking tomorrow, so that can mess up any swing trade that I take. So okay, so far I'm holding some runners on AI. I'm holding my Apple calls and SPY also. And I want to leave, but I want to see also if SPY can break 418, and if that happen, I think Apple is gonna break this 173.20 resistance. Okay, guys, I think it's time. Mm, yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna leave, but okay, the plan is holding my calls unless we break 417 or 416.85, which is pretty much today's low, morning low. So, I want to see SPY holding this support here. Otherwise, I'm gonna sell my calls. I have alerts here. My PT for today is this gap fill till 418 480 around there. I'm gonna take profits around 418.70 before the gap fill. And yep, I think that's it. And for Apple, I'm gonna hold my Apple calls as long as we're holding this support. So I'm gonna get out if we loses this week, which is 172.50. If we lose 172.50, I'm out. But yeah, that's what I'm holding. AI, we are 100% up, so I don't know if you took profits or not, but you should have with the 100% yesterday and today morning. 29 is your resistance. If you're still holding, you want to see AI holding 27 or 26.90. So, yep, I think I'm done for today. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you tomorrow morning, same time. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subscription. I'm sorry. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.